All aboard, all aboard. Welcome to the 41 Floridian. I'm your conductor, Mr. Who. We are running 5 hours late. That's right, we're running 5 hours late. But it's going to be a beautiful train. Late evening, Florida. It's going to be a beautiful sight. And I imagine by the time they get up here to me, they're going to be running about 70. They might hit top speed of 79. Let's see. Because I know they're in a hurry. Yeah, I think they're cooking with hot grease. What do y'all think? Yeah, probably about 60. All right, y'all, let me go home before these wild nightlife critters in Florida get me. See y'all tomorrow. Hey, y'all, what's up? Welcome to the channel. I am Mr. Who. We are down here at the Sebring station. Waiting on Amtrak. I believe it's going to be the 41 Floridian. We have one single track down here with a siding that looks like it hasn't been used in years. You go down there to that switch signal, it goes right to Clewiston, Florida. It goes left to Okeechobee, and that is the Amtrak route to the left. Station was built in 1906. 109 years old. There's only one problem. There's no trespassing. It's completely shut down. It's always been unmanned, but in the last 6 months it has been shut down. I don't know if you can see inside or not. It's nice. People couldn't take care of it. Squatters, criminals, just all around bad people. It's got the Florida decor look to it, the pastel color with the Spanish tiles on the roof. It's pretty neat. I have been inside to where we always waited for our train, but now we can't. Crazy. Now, Amtrak did not shut this station down. What a lot of people may not know is that out of the 496 different Amtrak stations in the country, only 4 are owned by Amtrak. So this station here is owned by the city of Sebring. And the city of Sebring, the police decided to shut it down. And they have all the right in the world to do it. Okay, so let's get us a train, y'all. Passengers, Sebring is your stop. Make your way to the exit door where you see your conductor, Mr. Who. He will gladly help you off the train. Again, Sebring. Sebring only. conductor, Mr. Who, direct service to Chicago. All aboard, all aboard. Welcome to the 97 Silver Meteor. I'm your conductor, Mr. Who. This is direct service to the Magic City. And yes, you'll be going through the Valley of the Blue Sunflowers. All aboard, all aboard. Welcome to the 41 Floridian, direct service to Miami, Florida. Running 1 hour and 20 minutes late. And by the way, I'm your conductor, Mr. Who. If you would like to become a Blue Sunflower, hit subscribe. Then you'll be also in the Florida Order of the Blue Sunflowers. All right. Tomorrow. God bless. Much love. Peace.